Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is your friendly neighborhood trader Ankan. I hope you are doing well. This is the monthly reading for Libra or Tula Rashi, Sun Moon Rising for the month of August 2025. This is a general reading based on collective energies, so it may or may not resonate with you. If it doesn't resonate with you, you can check out the reading for your other signs. If you don't know how to check your other signs, you can check out my previous video on zodiac signs. Link is in the description below. Also, do stick to the end of the video to know your monthly oracle guidance card for this month. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. So let's get on with the reading for Libra or Tula Rashi for the month of August. So Libra, I see the universe giving you a lot of options in this month, a lot of choices for you to choose from this month. But the funny thing is, I see you not taking any decision. I see you not making a choice here. You not being interested in, deciding upon anything. You're very much bored. You are very much disinterested overall. And although the universe is providing you with many options to choose from, you are like, nah, I'm not gonna take anything. I'm not gonna choose anything. I'm just happy in what I have, because there is an element of past trauma, something like you are not fully satisfied with what you have had in the past, and so this is kind of not kind of obstructing you or blocking you from moving forward to make a new choice, to make a new beginning, or the reason why you are so disinterested. We'll get into this, but I'm curious about what the other cards are coming. So for your career and finances, I see progress. I see moving forward. I see you being in your power. I see you have strong willpower overall, and that is kind of helping you to guide your way to move forward in your career and finances. So willpower is definitely is the key here. If you're a student, I see you focusing hard. You are able to concentrate on your studies, and you are able to block the distractions and just move forward. Like, there will be a lot of distractions, there will be a lot of things pulling you away from your studies, but I see you kind of negating all that and focusing on your studies. Now when it comes to your love and relationship, I see people involved. There are people who have similar interests as you. This could also mean there are people, like, there is a kind of energy, there is a kind of exchange of energies with someone you work with. Could be a colleague, could be a co-worker, but there is, like, for some of you this could mean office relationship. If you're married, I see that there is you and your husband working on things, you and your husband trying to figure out a lot of things, finding the common ground on a lot of things, and trying to resolve a lot of things or issues that needs to be resolved. So yeah, overall not a bad kind of energy. It's a good energy, but kind of interesting. Now when it comes to your health, there is a call to you, a call to action for you, and the universe is kind of asking you to focus yourself, your energies into uplifting your health, to improve your health, and things might appear to you, things might come forward for you, like opportunities, so that you can improve your health overall. So I would definitely suggest you to look into it and take it while you have the chance, because this is the universe providing you with an opportunity to improve your overall health. Good energies, very good energies overall. Now let's look at what kind of other energies are there. Now I see some sort of completion happening. You have come a full circle. There is something in some aspect in your life that is going to complete in this month, and this is this is not an ending but a full-fledged satisfied kind of completion. Something has run its course, and you have taken or the rewards from it. You have attained whatever you wanted to attain from this, and now it's coming to an end. But the other energy that is showing me is, as soon as this ends, I also see you rushing in for something, rushing into a new thing. One thing ends, and then there, it's always advised to have some sort of a gap, some sort of healing to be done, some sort of um, recuperation to be done. But instead of that, I see you just it ended and then you started again, and you didn't just start, you didn't just take action, but you took impulsive action. And impulsive action is not does not give good results, does not give the desired results, because it's not well thought through. So I definitely see you doing that. Otherwise, career wise, I would say you are doing quite well. You have matured and you have understood a lot of things related to your career and finances and your studies if you're a student. And now I see you being very much in your power, very much a matured kind of energy. You know what you want, you know how to balance things. And overall it's a good energy, I would say. Now, I want to focus on the theme of the month again. Please be cautious about what opportunities or choices are coming towards you, because definitely a lot of things are gonna come towards you this month. So I would suggest you to not be focused on the past, focused on what didn't fulfill you, what didn't go according to your plan. Instead, try to start afresh. Try to look out for opportunities that might come your way, because since this opportunity is being provided to you by the universe, high chances of it is that it's gonna turn out to be positive. If you have good deeds, if you have good karma, then definitely good things are gonna come towards you. Now, the energy that you should focus upon is the Empress. So it's asking you to have a very nurturing kind of energy. The Empress could also mean your mother. So you could have guidance from your mother, or you are being asked to embrace that motherly nature, that empathic or kind of caring kind of nature, or like try to focus on not just that but also on abundance. Try to create abundance in your life, and as you go along, the choices that will be provided to you this month will lead you to abundance, because the Empress kind of signifies what is kind of like the final outcome, right? So the moment you make the perfect choice, when you make the right choice and leave that whole boredom behind, I see abundance coming your way with this Empress card. So now let's look at what oracle guidance is coming your way this month. Yeah, letting go. See, like I said, you're too much focused on the past, you're too much stuck on the past, and you are not letting go of things. Everything is indeed out of control, and God will hold it all. I can safely let go. So it's time to let go of a lot of things if you want to progress in your life, because opportunities are gonna come your way, and if you are not willing to let go of your past, you won't be able to accept the improvements or the um, achievements that are there in the future. So yeah, that will be all for your reading, Libra. If the reading resonated with you, you can like the video and leave a comment to claim the reading. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, goodbye.